Good morning. There was a question on part 4 simple trinomials, number 3. You all have to do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple together. So let's look at A. What we need to do first in A is factor out the greatest common factor. In number 3, in this whole problem, first factor out the greatest common factor, and then factor the simple trinomial. Okay? So in this problem, we have 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. And I see that all of this is divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide out the 2. And I'll be left with x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now, on the inside here, this is a simple trinomial. So I'm going to factor that. So I'm going to say what multiplies to get 3 and adds to get 4, which would be 1 times 3. So I'm going to leave the 2 on the outside. I'm going to put x plus 1 times x plus 3. Okay? So let's look at, let's do B together. Even though you don't have to do these problems in the middle, but let's do B together. I'll do A, B, and C. So we have 5a squared plus 15a minus 20. All of these numbers are divisible by 5. So I'm going to divide a 5 out, and I'm left with a squared plus 3a minus 4. So I have to think, now I have this simple trinomial on the inside. So I have to think what multiplies to get negative 4 and adds to get 3. So to get negative 4, one number has to be negative and one number has to be positive. And since the 3 is positive, the larger number has to be positive. So positive 4 and negative 1 are going to multiply to get negative 4 and add to get 3. So I have 5 times x minus 1 times x plus 4. Okay? Now let's do letter C together. So in letter C, I have 3y squared minus 12y minus 36. So all of this is divisible by 3. I'm going to divide a 3 out. So I'm left with y squared minus 4y minus 12. Now I have to think of what multiplies to get negative 12 and adds to get negative 4. So that's going to be negative 6 and positive 2. Those multiply to get 12. They add to get negative 4. So I have 3, y minus 6, y plus 2. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.